Good day, Ma'am and Sir. My name is RG Hipulan, 31-year-old. I am from Davao City, Philippines. I have a common law partner and we had two children, ages 14-year-old boy and 10-year-old girl. My highest educational attainment is high school graduate. My hobbies are gardening and cooking, and my expertise are taking care of the children and doing household chores. I worked as a domestic helper in Kuwait City for 2 years, from November 2016 to November 2018, and I served one couple ages 46 and 40, and six children ages 17, 14, 13, 10, 5, and 2. My duties are taking care of the children, cleaning the house, cooking, ironing, doing laundries, and car washing. And also, I work as a nanny here in Philippines for 5 years, but in separate employers. My duties are taking care of the newborns. I want to work in Hong Kong because I want to earn and save money for my family and to support my children's education. And I'm willing to take good care of the children and elderly. To my future employer, Ma'am and Sir, please choose me as your housemate because I am hardworking, honest, obedient, and trustworthy. I promise to be a good housemaid, and I promise to prioritize my job and to finish my contract. Thank you, Ma'am and Sir. I'm looking forward to serve and to work with you as soon as possible. Thank you.